Okay, with all the sawgrass now cut away, you get a better idea of what the problem is here. So here is the pole, series of poles going down, following along the edge of the Mauka side of this drainage here. And strung between those poles is this chain link fence. And that chain link fence is designed to hold all the dirt and rock and detritus from entering into the drainage channel, which it seems to have been doing a pretty good job. With this latest storm, what happened is we had a failure of the retaining fence. As you can see, we're standing right over the fence, and you can see how it has become bowed out. So this whole part has bowed out from this direct line that it should be on. So by that bowing out, plus with the sawgrass on there, it created a bridge over the drainage channel, and it was over that bridge that all the detritus and dirt and rocks from the mountain came in, went between the Mackay side of the drainage ditch and my fence, pushed the bottom of the fence out, as you can see there, and then put all this dirt and rock into my pool area and obviously into the pool. So this was one area where it was bridged, and then probably another area right here. You can see all that sawgrass is stuck, jammed between the wall and the gate, the fence there, and stuck in place with all this dirt and mud and rocks. And here you could actually see the bridge still exists, large rocks, and so this water flow from up in the mountain would come down, flow down this way over the bridge, deposit everything in there, which has caused this normally straight fence or gate to bow out, and then all the mud has come into the backyard and into the pool. And you can see down here, with the amount of mud that has come between the Mackay side of the drainage wall and my fence, it has ripped the bottom of the fence out from the pole and deposited all this in here. And that part of the fence is just about to rip out from that pole. So that is how we got this situation with the pool. So now we have this water course that goes down here, which was probably always a natural water course, but now because of this bridge, and which is a result of a failed chain link fence, which you can see here, and there's the other pole right there. That failed chain link fence created that bridge, some parts of the fence there, and that bridge caused all the damage to the backyard.